Hi, One Iron Smart Him here, and today we're going to talk about DIY versus professional security systems. So today we have a couple of DIY security systems here. We've got a Nest DIY system, and we have a Ring DIY security system. Another popular DIY security system is Simplisafe, and we're going to compare the features of a DIY security system to a professional security system so you can understand which one is right for your home. Now, a DIY security system is one that you can install yourself in just a couple of hours. Typically, you can buy these at Best Buy or Amazon and set them up with just a couple simple hand tools and a cell phone. Now, a professional security system is one where you have to call a security system contractor or an alarm company. They send somebody out, give you an estimate, and then come and install your security system. Now, typically with a professional security system, you're also locked into a long-term contract with that security company, sometimes 2 or 3 years or even 5 years in some cases. Now, a DIY security system, most of the time when you are installing one of these, you get to choose whether or not you want professional monitoring. And that may sound confusing. We were just talking about professional security systems and professional monitoring. Aren't they the same thing? Well, no. Both DIY security systems and professional security systems offer professional monitoring. And what that is that when your alarm goes off or detects trouble, it's going to take that signal and send it to a call center where somebody then calls you to make sure you're okay, or if there's no answer, they dispatch first responders. So both DIY security systems and professional security systems have call centers and professional monitoring available so that you can have that professional level security system even if you have a DIY system or a professionally installed system. And in reality, these call centers, whether they are for a DIY system or a professional security system, operate almost identically. The main difference between the two is typically that a DIY system has a lower cost for that professional monitoring and monthly service fee, where a professional system typically costs more. Another advantage of the DIY security system is that typically you don't even have to sign up for professional monitoring if you don't want to. So your smart security system or your DIY smart alarm system will still work as a local alarm even if you don't have it connected to professional alarm monitoring. And what that means is that a DIY security system will still alarm and make noise if one of the sensors is tripped, but it will also alert you on your phone and allow you to check in and see what's going on in your home. Now, you'll have to take the step of calling first responders if your DIY security system goes off and you don't have it connected to professional monitoring, but it does give you that option. And when you have a DIY security system without professional monitoring, typically there is no monthly cost. And for some of you that don't like paying monthly fees, that might be a great option for you if you want to have an alarm system or a security system that will alert you when you're sleeping or when you're away from your home, but you don't feel like paying that monthly cost for a security monitoring service. In terms of hardware, both DIY and professional level security systems have very similar hardware. 10 or 15 years ago, professional security systems were only hardwired, which meant they had to open up walls and run wiring to install a professional security system. Well, that costs a lot of money and is a pretty big inconvenience for most homeowners. A lot of times when you moved into a new home with a security system, you were locked into whatever security system the existing owner had installed because the wiring was already there and the control panel was already there. Well, in the last 5 or so years, both DIY and professional security companies have gone towards a route of wireless sensors. So both this Nest sensor here and this Ring sensor here are battery-powered sensors for DIY security systems, and those batteries will last anywhere for 2 to 3 years. And most professional companies use very similar wireless sensors because they're much easier to install. There's no running of wiring or painting or patching of walls, and you can install them much quicker. So it's a cost savings both for the DIYer and a professional security company. Because it is easier to install, this is the route that most security systems have gone in the last few years. So DIY and professional security systems are more similar than ever. Now, one thing that is interesting is that if you have an existing hardwired security system, Ring actually makes a retrofit kit which you can connect to your existing security system and wiring that will utilize those existing sensors and convert it into a system that is compatible with the Ring app and Ring alarm system. So you don't have to be stuck with the existing professional monitoring company. You can transfer it all over to Ring and use those existing sensors by installing the retrofit kit with Ring for existing alarm systems, which I think is a nice functionality for a lot of people that may have existing alarm system wiring. Now, you don't have to do that with Ring or Nest or Simplisafe. You could just replace your existing sensors with the wireless sensors, and it's really pretty easy to do. Most of the DIY sensors offer simple installation where you can install them with a screwdriver, or in some cases they even have a peel and stick adhesive which will adhere it to your wall or door. Now, most DIY systems have a large variety of sensors which you can pair with the system, such as window and door sensors, motion sensors, flood or water detectors, and fire and smoke alarm detectors. Each DIY security system will have a different array of sensors that work with it, but for the most part, they're easy to install and have different options so that you can customize the security and alarm monitoring in your home. Now, that's one of the things that I really like about DIY security systems versus a professional security system, is that you can choose what sensors are right for your home and then expand that system very easily by just going online and ordering more sensors. If you want more protection in one area of the home, you can go ahead, order the sensors online, install them yourself, and add functionality as needed. Now, most of these DIY security systems also have a large variety of different cameras or smart doorbells that will work with these DIY systems in conjunction with an alarm system to provide you a comprehensive security system solution. So with the Ring system, you've got things like the Ring doorbell, Ring floodlights, and Ring smart cameras that can all pair with the system and work on the app as part of a comprehensive security system. With the Nest system, you also have very similar accessories. You've got Nest doorbells, Nest cameras, and the Nest alarm system. So you can have more than just an alarm system. You can have total security coverage around your home. And what's even better about DIY security systems is, let's say you like one component from one system and another component from another system. For instance, maybe you like the Ring alarm, but you want to have a Nest doorbell. Well, you can mix and match these devices and you can have access to both of them right from your phone. The only difference is you switch from one app to the other on your phone and you can view your camera, or you can view your alarm system right through your apps on your phone, and they're easy to use. I think one of the biggest differences between DIY security systems and professional security systems is that DIY systems primarily have been driven by users' wants and needs, and manufacturers have incorporated those into the systems. Whereas professional level security systems was really more about selling a long-term contract and providing whatever devices a particular manufacturer had. With a DIY security system, you're not really locked into anything, so manufacturers have really been over-delivering on what features people want versus just trying to get you locked into a long-term contract. And that is one of the next biggest differences between DIY alarm systems and professional alarm systems. Most of the DIY alarm systems have a monthly cost somewhere between $10 and $20 per month if you want professional monitoring. Now, you don't have to sign up for a contract with that, and most of the time you can activate it right from your phone using the app with the DIY security system. Professionally installed security systems typically have a higher cost for monitoring, and typically it's somewhere around $50 to $70 a month, sometimes even more than that. It really just depends on your geography and location. And one thing that I have noticed in comparing professional security systems to DIY security systems, it's that the DIY security systems have a bigger focus on making a clean integration and easy to use apps for cell phone control of your security system. More than ever, most people want to have the convenience of turning on or off their security system from their phone or checking in remotely from their device. A traditional security system setup typically revolved around just having a keypad that you would use to activate arm or disarm your alarm system when you left. I know in my case, I love the ability to leave my house and turn on the alarm system via my phone if I forgot to press the keypad when I leave. Now, most DIY systems still have a keypad if you like that functionality where you can just press the keypad when you leave, but they also combine it with functionality on your cell phone and apps. And a majority of these DIY security systems will also integrate with other devices and smart home apps to increase the functionality of your DIY security system. So if you're in the market for a DIY or a professional security system, it's a good idea to think about the features and how you're going to use them. The biggest difference really just comes down to cost. The functionality and how they work between a DIY and professional level security system are almost identical. So when choosing one of these, it's really about what you feel comfortable with. Do you want to be able to customize the system in the future? And do you want to be locked into a long-term monthly contract? If you want to learn more about DIY security systems or DIY security devices like smart doorbells, we'll include links to our other reviews below. But I hope you enjoyed this comparison of DIY versus professional security systems to help you decide what is right for your home. If you like this video and want to support the channel, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click on any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.